Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of available settings, that means that, just like in my case, you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then go to one of your apps, log in, and tap on Save in Google Autofill pop-up. Now, when I go back to the same settings and click on Google Password Manager, I can see that all of those options are visible and my password is over here. To add any other one from those settings, click on the plus icon next to Search Passwords. Then enter all of those informations, like website, or click on Select App and tap on one of the available ones. Now enter username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!